tested the top furnace brands for 2026, and you're going to want to stay till the end to see which is our top overall pick. First up are Goodman GMV M97. Goodman offers modern efficiency at an affordable price. The GMV M97 includes modulating heat, variable speed blowers, and strong warranties, perfect if you want savings without sacrificing comfort. Next, a furnace that's simple, reliable, and easy to service. Rheem's Prestige series delivers dependable comfort with fewer proprietary parts, which means that it's very easy to service, has Energy Star options, and offers steady performance even in cold Ontario winters. A system for homeowners who want to maximize energy savings is the Lennox. Lennox stands out for efficiency with very high AFUE ratings and Energy Star certified models. Variable speed blowers maintain even temperatures while reducing energy costs, making it ideal if you want long-term savings. Now, if comfort is your top priority, the next furnace is a game changer. The Carrier Infinity systems constantly adjust heat output and airflow to deliver ultra-consistent temperatures and whisper-quiet operation. It's perfect for homeowners who want precise temperature control and premium comfort features. And now, the furnace that takes the top spot for 2026 is Trane. Trane tops the list thanks to long-term reliability, excellent cold climate performance, and staged heating with variable speed blowers. It keeps your home at steady temperatures, reduces wear on the system, and parts are widely available, making it the safest overall choice for homeowners in Barrie and Collingwood. The best furnace isn't just about brand. Proper sizing and professional installation are just as important. If you're in Barrie or Collingwood and want help selecting the best furnace for your home and budget, call Affordable Comfort today. We make home comfort easy.